So I thought I'd do a little bit of a vlog today because today we are getting judged for gardens on the Downs as part of the Pittsworth Garden Competition. And I thought I'd quickly share what I run around and do first thing in the morning before judging happens. So as I walk around my garden, I'm just looking for any last minute weeds, anything that needs staking, anything like that. It is raining at the moment, so a lot of the flowers will be sort of a bit floppy and a bit not looking their best. But it's a bit of a shame this isn't open today for judging, but that's okay. Now what I do need to do, and what I have noticed, is that this one Echium here has got quite a lean on it, and they're predicting some storms, and with the extra weight of the water, they will fall over. So I will be going and getting some stakes from down in the shed, and I'll be putting them in to keep these upright. So we've got a really nice hardwood stake. It's well and truly worth investing in a really nice hardwood stakes. They last forever and do really well. I've got a hammer. Now what I want to do now, normal staking, when you're staking like or anything like that, you're going to be putting multiple supports around the tree. At this particular point, I just want to stop this large flower from falling over with the weight of the rain. So all I'm going to do is just hammer this into this side, furthest away from where the plant's falling, away from the root zone and not through any foliage. And so our soil is quite rocky and gravelly, so it doesn't have to go in super far, and I will wedge it in quite well in between some rocks, I am sure. Now I've got some soft tie here. Now this is a sort of real stretchy, flexible material. It's great for tying up flowers. Also, really sorry the fact that there is so much noise going on. We're on quite a busy road, and the trucks and everything are really quite bad on a Friday morning for some reason. Any last minute deadheading jobs I need to do, like this Osteospermum daisy, it's nearly finished for the year. And as you can see, it looks pretty ordinary with all its old flowers on it, so we'll quickly run around and dehead this. So as you can see, this looks so much better. Oh, I think we got some water on the lens. Anyway, it's starting to rain pretty heavy now, so I'm going to go in and get out of this rain. But yes, definitely looks much neater having all the dead flowers removed. Guys, I found one of those pesky weeds that just seem to appear out of nowhere, and they're massive. And you're like, how did that get there? Oh, there's more than one. Of course. There we go. And then you look, and then you see another one, then you see another one. Does gardening ever really end? So as you can see, we've retreated inside. It's still drizzling and raining. I'm gonna go have a cup of coffee and probably a read through my daily book, maybe listen to a podcast. It's what I do nearly every day, is try and get a podcast in every morning. So we wait for judging still. It hasn't happened yet. We'll see what happens. So the sun is semi out after a few showers this morning. We've had 9 mils. Judging has just been completed. They've been around and had a look at the whole garden. So that's it. All that hard work, all that effort, all of that stress and worry, and within 15 minutes they're gone and it's all done. You don't have to worry about it again. But anyway, no, it's I really do enjoy the showing people my garden, walking around, telling them about what I do and what I enjoy and what I love. So, and now that sun's coming out, the bees are suddenly out as well, and it just so lovely. 9 mils of rain, how perfect's that? Hopefully we'll get another 6 inches, but that's okay. One thing I am super proud about is this garden bed along the side of the house, along the side of the boundary. It's done exceptionally well. These Echiums have powered through. Even this one here that got sprayed with Roundup and nearly died off, you can see where the branches died off of this side, have done really well. The artichokes are looking incredible. So really, I think this is going to be quite a beautiful bed. in next spring as well and the years to come. So I'm just sitting here editing this video and realised I never ended today's vlog properly. So this is the official end to the first vlog. I hope you liked it, and I will see you all in the next one.